amortization or mortgages. So just a reminder of a mortgage, you get money from the bank to buy a house. So this is going to be the present value, the amount you borrow from the bank. And I'm going to enter this as a positive because you get the money from the bank. So it's a plus for you. Then you're going to make payments to pay off the mortgage. I'm going to enter this as a negative because this is money that you give out from you to the bank. And eventually the debt will be paid off. So future value will be 0. So let's have a look at question 1. So we need to go to Apps, Finance, TVM Solver. Miss Donaldson takes out a mortgage of 100,000. So this is our present value, and this will be a positive. She will repay the mortgage over 20 years. So let's go to the top, 20. But the big N is the total number of compounds. So she's going to be doing it monthly payments. So you need to times that by 12 to get the total number of payments, which is 240. Interest rate 3.2. Payment is what we're actually trying to find. Find Miss Donaldson's monthly payments. And of course, at the bottom here, these need to be 12 because everything is being done monthly. Future value is 0. So if you just press alpha solve on the payment, we can see that she's going to have to make a payment every month of $564.66 dollars. Okay, so in question 2, Mr. Finch wants to buy a house. He can afford monthly payments on a mortgage of $700. So his payments are going to be $700. So I'm going to clear this and I'm going to put it as a negative because he's making those payments from his pocket. So it's going out from his pocket, so it's a negative. The bank offers an interest rate of 2.4%, so this is going to be 2.4. Find the largest amount that he can borrow, so that's going to be the present value, which we're going to try to find in a minute. It's 25-year mortgage, so we go to the top, 25, and it's compounded monthly, so 25 times 12. So it's 300 payments altogether. And we've entered everything now. Future value is always 0. And we need to know what is the amount he can borrow from the bank. So alpha solve. So he can borrow $157,800.80 dollars.